Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine and doing well. This is the first lecture of your AutoCAD tutorial. This is the interface of your AutoCAD software. We will discuss its different aspects. How can we access the toolbars and menu bars, which will play an important role to draw your drawing of your mechanical part on AutoCAD. How can we turn them off and on? How can we add them on the interface of your AutoCAD? And how can we give command to the AutoCAD to draw different drawings? So first of all, we will have a look on different menu bars or toolbars that are shown in the interface of your AutoCAD. Here, this is the menu bar of your AutoCAD software, which includes File menu, Edit menu, View, Insert, Format, Tools, Draw, Dimension, Modify, Windows and Help menu. All these constitutes the menu bar of your AutoCAD. Here you can see a toolbar shows on the left and right side of your AutoCAD interface. These can be displayed, can be added or removed as per your own convenience. What you have to do, you have to just click here, go to ACAD, and you can choose whatever toolbar or menu bar you need. If we wanna add the dimension toolbar in the AutoCAD interface, you have to check this and you will see we have a dimension toolbar here. You can add the ribbon of this dimension toolbar in the upper side, or you can just take it down wherever you need it conveniently. You can also turn this dimension toolbar off by the same way. Just click on ACAD, go to dimension toolbar option, just uncheck, and this will be removed. Similarly, you can replace the draw and modify toolbar with respect to their position. For example, if you want to take this toolbar at the upper side, you have to drag it here and you have to just drag wherever you want to add this toolbar. And in the same way, if you want to remove or add this draw toolbar, you have to just check and uncheck their respective boxes. Here you can remove. If you want to add, you have to click on ACAD and check on the draw toolbar. This will appear here on this side. If you want take this ribbon at this position, you have to just drag it down and you will add it here. So this is how can you add and remove different toolbars by using the option ACAD. So what will we get by using the file menu? You can add a new sheet, you can open already saved sheet, and you have different options that we will learn with the passage of time. In the edit menu, you can copy, cut, paste or change your drawing. Similarly, in the view menu, you can zoom in and zoom out of your drawing in 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional also. In the insert menu, you can embed other drawings in your drawing. You can change the layout and you can do different aspects. You can make different aspects that you will need in your drawing to be inserted. In the format menu, what you can do, you can add layer, you can add color, you can change your line type that we have discussed in our previous two lectures. You can change the line weight, how much the line width shows. You can change the unit thickness and drawing limits of your drawing format. In the tool menu, what you have to do, in the tool menu, you can enhance your drawing all kind of lines and shapes. In the draw menu, you can use different tools to draw different shapes that will help you to accomplish your mechanical part, two-dimensional drawing. In the dimension menu, it will help you to dimension, to size, to locate or to specify the drawing that you have drawn using different toolbars. In the modify menu, it will offers you several options which will help you to change and rectify your drawing according to your requirements. All these toolbars will be discussed with you in the coming lectures, and inshallah you will be able to use them as per your own requirement. Next part is to discuss about the command bar. Here on the lower side, this is the command bar which helps you and tells you about your operation, about your work in your AutoCAD screen. For example, if you want to draw a line, you have to click at this position, and this is the line command. You have to click it. The AutoCAD asks you, please specify the first point. You have to specify the first point. You can specify the first point either by just clicking at a position where you want to start the line like this, and to complete the line you have to specify the second point. So you have to click at any position where you want to end the line. For example, here just click and press enter from your keyboard, the line has been drawn. So this command bar specify what you are going to do and what you will do to accomplish the task. If you want to remove this line, you have to select this line and press delete. Similarly, you can draw different shapes using AutoCAD and it will be displayed on this command bar. Behind the command bar on the left side, here these are the coordinates which shows the position of the cursor on the screen. Just consider it a Cartesian coordinate system which has 3 axes, x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So wherever your cursor moves, the position of your cursor is shown here. The first reading shows the x-axis, the second is the y, and third is the z-axis. On the consecutive position of these Cartesian coordinate system, we will have different options. These from snap to model, these options are named as Boolean buttons. These Boolean buttons have their own usage and have their own specification. We will start from the snap. The snap button, when turned on, it restricts or constrains the movement of your cursor on the drawing area. You can always right click on this button. It will gives you the option of settings. You will go into settings and you will have the option of changing the space between x and y axis and x and y points on the grids that will be shown on the drawing sheet. This will allow you a restricted movement as per your own requirement.